Hello everybody, this is Insane Gaming. I'm bringing you another test pack episode. In this episode we're going to make an advanced solar generator. I made 3 windmills, or 2 more, and it doesn't keep up, as you can see, and I'm only in 1 slot, and the advanced solar generator does way better. So to start out, we need this. So let's make these first. Well, let's get some iron. Not in there either. In here. And some, I don't know how many I'm gonna need. Make that many for now. Do I have any more iron? Nope. Hopefully we don't run out of iron. We might though. So I might have to go down in the mine. And that should be enough for now. Okay. So let's make these. What else? I don't remember. And glass. Like that. Let's just make 2 for now. And then glass planes. And I didn't grab the osmium. Can I shift click it in now? Yep. Okay. We're gonna need more of these. Whoops. Don't want that there. More of these. Okay, so there's 2 of these. And then we need to make this. Which we need more of these. Need more redstone and gold. Okay, we got one of those. Got the osmium dust. Got that. The last one. And then doesn't want to shift click in, so okay, I can make, I don't know, I can't. And that. Okay, so we got 1 solar generator, but I want to make the advanced. So I'm gonna go back down in the mine and get some iron, and I'll be right back. Okay, I went and got some iron, and I should have, yeah, I'll have enough. Okay, I can make 2 more. Okay, so to make this, like that. I think we might need more of those. Okay, let's make this 1. Like that. Like need some iron. Another coal to keep cooking. Okay. doesn't want to shift up in there. Don't know why. Doesn't like me or something. Okay, we got another one. And they don't stack. Okay, let's make 2 more of these. Imagine that. Don't have enough iron. So there's 3. So there's 1. There's 2. Okay. Make more of these. Okay. Now it's osmium. Gosh. I'm not prepared. I should only need 4 more dust. And another piece of coal. And just throw this crap back in there. Go ahead. Throw this in there. And that's it. Do 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 do. Okay. I need 2 more of these. Nice. Now let's make these. Okay. Need more osmium. Okay, make 1 more. Nice. Come on. Okay. Do I have everything? It's telling me I don't. But I'm pretty sure I do. Yep, I do. Nice. Okay, we got that. Now we need 3 iron and 2 of those. Pretty sure we have that. Ooh. Nice. We got an advanced solar generator. That's awesome. Throw this in there. There we go. Okay, now let's get the cable. Oh, we got some right here. And then get some more dirt. And then hop up on my roof. Throw it there. There we go. Perfect. Okay, we don't need this one there. Okay, now we should be able to run the machine in all 3 slots, but only during the daytime. So let's see how much time I have left. Okay, about 4 minutes. Let's see how it's doing. Oops. Let's get this crap back out. Throw it. And see, now it's keeping steady, it's not going down, which is what we want. Okay. Now let's throw all this back in there. That thing is loud. Okay. 20 diamonds. Doing pretty good. So, probably in the next episode, if we can, we're gonna want to make, if it's in here, yeah, right here, digital miner. We're gonna want to make this. I don't know if we'll be able to. Diamond. Gold. So osmium, gold. Yeah, I think we can make it. Piston, iron. Yeah, I think we can make it. It just might be pretty hard. No, because we can't make this. We don't have obsidian, but we could make it, I guess. Purification chamber. I think in the next episode, we did run out of power to do. Well, in the next episode, guys, we might make the digital miner, but if we don't do that, we're probably gonna make the smelter, so we don't have to use that stupid thing. So thank you guys for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe. See you later.